Hey everyone, this is Ray again from Liberty Autoworks, and thanks for tuning in for part 2 of the Jaguar F Type R new vehicle protection package. So in part 1, we did the full decontamination, power polishing, and inspecting the paint. Now in this second video, we're going to be doing ceramic coating on the interior, as well as putting paint protection film on a lot of the front end of the Jaguar. So full hood, full fenders, mirrors, bumper, lights, rocker panels, just a lot of the high impact areas to protect it from rock chips and deeper scratches. And then we're going to move on to the final stage, which is the ceramic coating. And for this, for the ceramic coating that we chose for this vehicle is the Jaguar F Plus, which is a 5-year ceramic coating. Then we're going to put specific Jaguar PPF on the areas with paint protection film, as well as Jaguar View on all of the glass areas. So excited to see the results. Stay tuned for more. Here we have Jaguar leather shield being applied on to all of the leather surfaces on the interior of the Jaguar F Type R. There's so much leather inside of this vehicle, and given that it is a light colored oyster on black interior, I was really concerned that there's going to be some gene or dye transfer going onto the light colored leather. So I just want to make sure that it's fully protected. I just want to see what sort of protection that it would provide with regular wear and tear, as this is going to be a daily driven vehicle. Here Tim, one of our team members, is applying it on. And as you can see, it goes on kind of shiny, but it will leave a matte finish once it is all ceramic coated. Moving on to the next phase, which is the paint protection film. Here we have XPEL Ultimate Plus, which is the only paint protection film that we use here at our shop. As you can see, we're doing the full hood, and it is actually a tricky hood to do because of the stretch and how large this clamshell hood is. We took off the vents for a cleaner install, so we put it on in the full hood, full fenders, front bumper, lights, mirrors, rocker panel kits. So any area with high impact we want to protect. I chose not to do the whole vehicle in paint protection film. Want to see what the ceramic coating would do on bare paint with its durability, its added gloss and shine, as well as its hydrophobicity. So I just want to test that out as well. We're now moving on to the final phase of this project. After all the paint protection film has dried, then we'll prepare it for ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating that we're using is Jaguar Moss Plus, which is actually a nano quartz coating. We use a specific one for the paint protection film as to not interfere with the self-healing abilities of the XPEL Ultimate Plus. And same thing with the wheel faces and glass, we use a specific one for those. The rest of the vehicle had Jaguar Moss Plus. So really excited to see what kind of durability and shine and gloss this one has, and how easy it is to clean. So I'm going to be driving this in the winter as well as the summer, so I want to see how relatively easy it is for me to clean this vehicle. So there you have it. Very happy with the results. Very long project. We can't wait to drive it and see what sort of protection we were able to offer for this vehicle. Stay tuned for other videos to come, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much. Take care.